Weigh and grind 20 grams of freshly roasted coffee on a medium setting. Preheat by placing your filter in the brewer over your carafe or mug and thoroughly rinsing with hot water. Dispose of the rinse water. Add freshly ground coffee to the filter. And give it a light shake to settle all grounds into an even bed. Tare the scale to 0 grams, start your timer, and gently pour 50 grams of water into the coffee bed, evenly saturating all the grounds. At 30 seconds, gently pour water over the bed of coffee in a circular motion, bringing your overall water weight up to 200 grams. Always avoid pouring close to the edges of the filter. Next, bring the total water weight up to 260 grams, again by pouring in gentle circular motions. Allow the liquid to drain down another ½ inch, and then finish with a final circular pour to 320 grams, aiming to have all water added before 2 minutes. Brew time should finish between 3 minutes and 3 minutes 30 seconds for an ideal extraction. Remove the brewer. Serve. And enjoy.